Can I still recover compensation after a three-car collision if my injuries required emergency surgery? Yes, you may still be able to recover compensation. In North Carolina, emergency surgery, hospitalization, a ruptured intestine, and scarring can be strong evidence of serious damages. Those damages may include medical bills, future care if supported, lost income, reduced earning ability, pain and suffering, scarring, and out-of-pocket costs. But serious injuries do not automatically prove who is legally responsible. In a three-car crash, the key questions are who caused the collision, whether more than one driver contributed, what insurance coverage is available, and whether your injuries were caused by the crash. If an allegedly at-fault driver has died, the claim may still continue through that driver's insurance, but a lawsuit may need to involve the driver's estate or personal representative. North Carolina also has a contributory negligence rule, which means the defense may argue that your own conduct helped cause the crash. Deadlines still matter too. Many injury claims have a 3-year filing deadline, and insurance talks do not automatically extend it. Preserve the crash report, photos, witness information, medical records, insurance letters, and proof of lost income, and have the claim reviewed promptly.